أهلا وسهلا يا شباب.
What's wrong? Hello. Morning. Waalaikumsalam. Where you come from? What? Yeah, nice to meet you too. By the way, your language is English, right? What? Ya hilang bro. Sorry guys, because this game is very high. If I'm using this game to record, and if I using gameplay to record this, my PC is not on my phone is keep lagging, and yes, stutter like this. But you can look this graphics is very nice and very clear. Wow, it's very cool. It's very cool, sir. Yes, right. This is very good. I like this. Look this. Wow. This would like a realistic. Okay, let's try this. Whoa. Where the enemy? I'm search enemy, but I never found. He's appear. Okay, I'm hide on this place and waiting someone coming here. Oh no. Okay, let's try to using a series. Okay, using a series, but I'm to sprint to okay. To take this car. Yes, this car, and let's try to drive. Let's go. Woo. Ooh, very fast, right? Look this. Whoa. Sorry guys, like now I'm flu and I can my body is not fit today. but I am to try. Okay, let's jumps. Can't jumps. Oh no, can't jump right now. Okay, I am saw on this collection to attract more enemy to get out from. Aduh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Let's try this. Okay, I'm trying to going this. Okay, let's look my. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Now you can cross the tree, baby. You cannot. You can't. Okay, let's try to this village. Okay. Okay. This village. Where's the enemy? Where are you? Come on, ayolah keluar. Aku dari tadi capek, bro. I'm very sad to to find some enemy. Okay, to enemy and okay. Where are you? Okay, guys, this is try. I am using this setting ultra, not XDR to playing this game. Okay. Whoa. Ah, okay, guys. Maybe I am playing this until right now, and I want to end this game right now. See you. See you, guys.